There are some various machines which are cleaning the territory around the channel. So there is one small dam here, and there is another one which is behind. So we are starting to open it up from the last one. The smell is not the best one. This dam is not the highest one. It is maybe 70 centimeters of height. Actually, I've opened with my hands even several times higher ones, but operator invited me here to come to make a video, so I'm okay with that, and for me it's interesting to watch too. Let's open it up. This channel is almost empty. It was not the high dam, and it was not very long one channel. There is another dam about 100 meters away from another one, the previous one, so the operator is going to open it up. This dam is a bit higher than the previous one, but not much, maybe 40 centimeters or even 20 centimeters higher. I spoke with the persons which are living there, so they said that the beavers sometimes even coming to their gardens and cutting some trees, some bushes around. So here, eliminated those two dams, beavers should disappear to the other place. to the other channels. There is a lot of roots on the bottom and on the edges of the channel. Most likely those roots are from the reeds of reeds of this one. little bit water. the other side of the culvert. The water coming from here, from here. A lot of our culverts is in very bad condition. Here you can see too, there is concrete blocks which came from this part. So nobody done here anything but concrete moving itself. So that means that it could break at any time and maybe make the damage for some people or some kid which is hanging around, because there is some houses. So all 3 dams are opened here and there is no more dams left in this channel. I see some tunnel here. I'm not sure this is from off draining system or it's made by the beavers. The smell here is very bad because we had hot weathers in the last 2 weeks and this water is not flowing very much, so it stands, it stinks, and it's not very nice to be around. Alright guys, that's it for today. Not so much left to finish this channel. And here you can see the draining system. There is some pipe. It's as I see, it's the new pipe here. It's already stuck with the mud and like a concrete part here, and it's made that the water could not erode the edges, so the water could flow straight in the middle but not on the edges, so the channel could do its job. All right, bye bye.